So tell me what is multiplication? Multiplication क्या है?
Multiplication is repeated addition.
Very good.
Repeated. Sir,
हाँ बोलो।
multiplication is the repeated addition.
वेरी गुड, पक्का है?
हाँ.
श्योर है? कौन कौन बोल रहा है?
Priyansh is going and grabbing some.
सॉरी,
सर प्रियांश कुछ खाने के लिए
हाँ
बिहान आ
लेके
रहा
आओ।
है.
हाँ, आ रहा है।
हाँ, अभी आ रहा है, वो ज्वाइन कर रहा है.
ये सैटरडे नहीं आने वाला है क्या वो?
क्या?
लास्ट सैटरडे तो था वो विहान।
लास्ट सैटरडे नहीं
ये
था वो
सैटरडे।
सर. सर वो
अच्छा,
मेरे साथ था. लास्ट सैटरडे
अच्छा हाँ,
अभी.
लास्ट सैटरडे उनका ये था, रक्षाबंधन था।
अच्छा, छुट्टी नहीं थी.
ठीक है, चलो। रिपीटेड एडिशन, आर यू श्योर?
सर मेरा कितना बाकी है
मल्टीप्लिकेशन
स्पृहा
इज
का?
रिपीटेड एडिशन।
सर.
हम्म,
यस सर, सही है.
पक्का है?
रिपीटेड एडिशन ही होता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
पक्का ना?
हाँ सर. हाँ.
कौन बोल रहा है? सब बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ सर. हाँ
वेरी
सर.
गुड, चलो। सो आई जस्ट राइट हियर।
सर स्पृहा का कितना बाकी है?
सॉरी,
स्पृहा का कितना बाकी है?
स्पृहा का वो तुम बेटा क्लासरूम में चेक कर लो, ठीक है?
हाँ
क्लासरूम में यू कैन सी दिस, कैन यू सी माय व्हाइट बोर्ड?
सर, दिख रहा है.
नाउ वी आर सेइंग कि दिस थिंग इज रिपीटेड एडिशन, राइट?
क्या?
ठीक है,
दिख
सो आई
नहीं
एम
रहा है.
राइटिंग दिस रिपीटेड एडिशन इज
हाँ.
प्लस 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 प्लस
प्लस.
प्लस 1 2 3।
Repeated addition of the same number.
ये कौन बोलेगा फिर? ये तो बोला नहीं तुमने।
सर भूल गए हम.
नहीं, वही कैसे, मेरे को कैसे समझ में आएगा?
Repeated addition
मेरे
means
को कैसे समझ में आएगा हाउ यू आर सेइंग व्हाट यू आर सेइंग?
repeated addition of the same number. Yes, sir.
बताना चाहिए ना मेरा।
Sir,
तो
repeated addition of the same number.
करेक्ट। सो
Yeah, that's what I was supposed to say.
multiplication is repeated addition of the same number, right? So it is not just repeated addition. And what is division?
Repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction of the same digit.
Correct. Repeated subtraction of the same number is important, beta. It is not repeated addition or repeated subtraction, right? It is repeated addition and subtraction of the same number. That is more important, right? Because if you repeatedly add any number, it will not give you multiplication. Clear? Yes or no?
हाँ सर.
So how many of you knew table?
Sir, yes sir, me, Kriyan. Everybody knows. Plus 212.
चलो, कब तक टेबल मालूम है तुम लोग को?
12.
12.
15. 13. 12. I don't know exactly. Ivana, that's
Sorry?
12. 12 or 13. Almost, sir, almost till 17.
Well,
Almost.
almost is 17.
Almost
Okay.
to
Now, wait.
Yes.
Now there is nothing called as 12 table, 15 table, 17 table, 16 table, 14 table.
It's repeated addition of 12 and all.
Right. Okay. So now what you need to do is, it is only single digit table or a 2 digit table. Once you know single digit table, then you know the second digit 2 digit table. Then you know third digit 3 digit table, right? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
कुछ समझ में नहीं आया कि आपने क्या.
Very good. So when you know, for example, I'll just give you, I'll just say, if you know, okay, you know 8 sevens are
Yes, sir.
56, right? Now you know 17 nines are. Can you solve this?
Yes, sir.
How will you solve?
Sir, I can solve, but I don't know that. And 6 will go on 1, and 9 ones are 9, and 9 plus 4, 9 plus 6 is 15. So
Very
153.
153, correct? So now if I tell you 48 multiplied by 7, can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how.
7 8 are
7 8s are
7 8s are
and
56.
5 will go on 4 and 7 4 are
5 will go on
28.
4.
So 28 plus 5 will be
is 33.
and so
And
3 3 6 is the answer.
6.
Sir, we had 100.
Correct. So you know table. 48 table also you know, right?
Yes, sir.
So फिर क्यों बोल रहे हो कि 17 का टेबल मालूम है, 18 का टेबल मालूम है, 15 का टेबल मालूम है? Correct.
हाँ सर.
So you know all the 2D table also, right?
हाँ सर.
तो फिर क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो कि नहीं मालूम है?
सर मुझे सबका मालूम है, स्पृहा को.
Very good. चलो, good. Understood everyone?
हाँ सर.
चलो.
सर आप फ्रीज हो गए हो?
नहीं. Clear? So there is a 1D table and there is a 2D table and then is a 3D table, right? Correct? Vihan?
विहान. सर आपने विहान बोला.
Vihan.
हेलो विहान.
Vihan, are you there?
विहान शिंदे, are you there?
Beta Vihan, you can join on Saturday. No problem. Vihan,
Okay, sir.
if you want, you can join on Saturday. I'm going to take the
Yes.
same on Saturday. Same concept.
Sir, then if I don't understand, even I'll join on Saturday.
Sorry?
Then can I also join on Saturday?
No, beta.
Why?
वो ये क्लास में है, वो ये क्लास में रहेगा. On the Saturday. Correct?
हाँ सर.
Vihan,
Yes, sir.
if you want, you can join now. Then don't join on Saturday. If you want to be on Saturday, then don't join today because it is going to be repeat session. So when you
Sir?
want to join? When you want to join?
Join on Saturday.
Saturday you will join?
I will join on Saturday.
ठीक है.
Yes.
चलो. Okay.
सर अभी करेंटली मेरे पास एस चंद की बुक नहीं है.
चलो. Now, हाँ सॉरी क्या नहीं है?
एस चंद
की
नहीं
बुक
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. मेरे पास यहाँ पे खुला है ना. ठीक है. मल्टीप्लीकेशन क्लास 3 we have learned that how to multiply given number by a number consistent of two or less digits, right? Correct?
हाँ सर.
Very good. We also studied the various properties of the multiplication, right? What are the properties of multiplication? I'll tell you. Again, it will come, right? So, in a multiplication sum, okay, the number multiplied is called as a multiplicand. And the number which we multiply is called as a multiplier, right? And the result is called as a product. This is very important. Here, what you get? 123. The top number is called as a multiplicand, right? What is called as?
Multiplicand.
Okay. And the bottom number is called as
Multiplier.
By what you multiply, it is called as multiplier, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it? And the answer, what you get, it's called as a
Product.
product. Correct? When you add, what is called as? The answer, what is called as? When you add? When you add, what is the answer you got? What answer you called it?
Product.
No, add. When you add.
Added.
When you add. Sum. Right.
Sir?
Yeah. Okay. Now the property of multiplication. Now when you multiply something, for example, 4 multiplied by 9 is what? And 9 multiplied by 4. Is it the same or different?
Same.
Correct. It will not make any difference when you have multiply 4 with 9 or 9 with a 4, right? It is going to give you the same answer. Clear hai?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear? That is 36 is equal to 36. Correct? Okay. So when you multiply, suppose you have multiple numbers. Okay. 4 into 3 into 2. Where you get 2 into 3 into 4. 4 into 2 into 3. 3 into 4 into 2. Okay. 2 into 4 into 3. So any order if you multiply, will it make any difference? Will it make any difference if you multiply
No,
in
sir.
any order?
Oh, sir.
No. Correct? Understood? So you multiply in any order, it does not make any difference to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Everybody? Okay. So in multiplying, what is the property? Order property of multiplication. Same goes with the addition also, right? Addition also has a similar property. When you add the number, like I told you, whenever we did the addition of the multiple numbers, what we do?
Order property.
We change the order. When we do, what you do? Suppose if I give you a number 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5. So what do you do? If you want to add this number, what do you do? Tell me what you do.
Multiply.
अरे एडिशन में मल्टीप्लाई
Not
कैसे
multiply,
करेंगे?
not multiply.
हाँ, when you are adding, how can you multiply?
We have to add.
हाँ, tell me. So what you do? You do 4 plus 6 first, then 7 and 3, and then 5 and 5, right? Because
Yes,
it become 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30, correct? So what do you do? We, for our convenience, what we do?
Repeat.
We arrange the numbers in a way which is convenient for you to multiply. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is order property of addition and multiplication, but it does not work with the female genders, right? Which is subtraction and division. It does not work with it. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Done? Is everybody clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. ठीक
Sir,
है.
emoji says yes.
हाँ, very good. चलो, ठीक है. So now we take the product of other numbers taken in pairs. We shall find the each case by changing the order and multiplying the product is not changed. The result is true for large numbers also, right? The product of two numbers does not change when the order of the number is changed. The property is called as the order property of the multiplication. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this goes with the addition also. Grouping. Now, if you want to group the same thing, if you change the order or give it, right? For example, if you say 4 into 2 into 3, 4 into 2 into 3. Suppose if I group this first and I group this first, still answer going to be the same, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? That is called as the order property of, sorry, grouping property of multiplication. Similarly, for
Sir,
addition.
answer 24.
Yes. Okay. So what you do is when you group this, it does not matter whether you group in addition or multiplication. The order or grouping does not change the answer, right? Correct. Now multiplication. Third, any number multiplied by with 1 will give you the same number, correct? That is called as multiplicative identity. When any number is multiplied by 1, what is the answer you will get? Hello? When any number is
Number
multiplied by
itself.
number itself. And any number multiplied with 0, what you will get?
Number itself. Zero. Zero,
अच्छा,
zero,
number
zero.
itself.
Zero,
Zero
zero,
भी
zero.
number itself
Zero,
आएगा.
zero, zero. Zero.
0. Correct. When you multiply any number with a 0, we will get a 0. That is multiplicative property of 0. Correct. So when you multiply any number with 0, you will get a 0. Now this is very important property. This is called a distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now what do you do? This is multiplication over addition, right? Now when you say, suppose you get, okay, I'll give you simple example. Suppose this is me and my wife, right? Come to Kriyansh house, right? So Kriyansh क्या करेगा? Kriyansh, what will do? When you open the door, I rang the doorbell. What will
Welcome.
वेलकम। किसको?
आपको और आपकी वाइफ को।
आपको या आपकी वाइफ को या दोनों को?
दोनों।
So you will say hello sir and say hello ma'am, right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
This when you have addition here, the 4 is multiplied by 6 plus 4 is multiplied by 7 also. Correct. This is called as distributed. The 4 is distributed with the given in this, right? For example, if I tell you a number, just give understanding. Okay, suppose if I say 47 multiply by 38. Okay, chalo, I'll just give you reverse mechanism. 47 multiplied by 38 plus 62 multiplied by 47. Do you think this is difficult or easy?
Easy.
Easy.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, a little easy, a little hard.
A little easy, a little hard. Little easy, a little hard. कैसे hard, कैसे difficult बताओ मेरे को. How is difficult, how is hard? Can you do it orally?
No, not orally.
पक्का?
Yes, sir. Not orally.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
चलो, I'll tell you how you can do
Oh,
orally.
we can't do orally.
I'll tell you how you can do orally, right?
Yes, but I can't do orally.
चलो, यहाँ पे क्या है? 47 multiplied by 38. What is there here?
62 into 48. 47.
Very good. Is there anything common between these two?
Yes, both
What is
numbers
common?
are 47.
47. So can I take 47 common? 38 plus 62, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now when I put a bracket, you have to use the bracket first, right? So what is the bracket total? 47 multiplied by what is the total of this? Tell me what is the total?
100.
Can you do orally now?
Yes, sir.
हो गया ना?
147.
हो गया?
4700, yeah.
क्या बोल रहे orally नहीं होएगा, orally नहीं होएगा?
सर मैंने बाद में बोला कि orally होएगा.
होएगा ना? करेक्ट?
हाँ सर.
हाँ बोल. बोल.
सर को नहीं समझा क्या किया?
क्या किया? नहीं समझा. यहाँ पे क्या कॉमन है? इसमें और इसमें क्या कॉमन है? 47. तो 47 मैंने बाहर निकाल लिया डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से, राइट?
Yes.
47 I have taken common and then I have 38 plus what is this? 62?
100.
100, right? So what I did here, 4 multiply by 6 and 7, I get 4 into 6 plus 4 into 7, correct? So I can do a reverse also, right? Yes or no?
नहीं समझा.
Yes, sir.
I can do reverse also. I taken a 47 common and put it 38 and 62 in the bracket. Addition, right?
Yes. हाँ.
Clear? So what happened? This becomes 100. So 47 into 100 is very simple, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अरे किसको नहीं समझ में आया था? समझ में आ गया?
हाँ sir.
Very good. Clear? चलो. So here, this is they are showing कि how the distributive property you can use. Correct? Sorry?
मुझे नहीं समझ में आया.
कौन बेटा मुझे?
अनाया से.
अनाया. ठीक है चलो. I'll give you simple example, right? I'll give you little simple example. 4 into 7 plus 3 into 4. Can you multiply this?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you will get?
7 4s are 28 and 3 4s are 12.
Correct? What is the total?
40, sir. 40.
40, right? Now what is common in this? Now I do other method. What is common in both of them?
In both of them, 4 and 4, sir.
4 common, right? So 4 I take it out, multiply by 7 and this plus I'll come in between and 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you get? 4 into 7 plus is 10. What is the answer?
4 40. सर आपने क्या किया? मेरा कंप्यूटर लैग हो गया था.
Okay, it's still there in the screen, beta. Correct. I give you this question. Okay, this question you can solve it in two manners, right? Either you do 4 plus 4
Then
multiplied by
Spruha
7,
go and get
you
a
get
snack.
28. Then 3 multiplied by 4, you get 12. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So since there is a 4 common, I take out 4 common. Then I do 7 plus 3 here, right? What is remaining is I have to add them, right? And with the bracket, right? So you get 7. So in both cases, answer is going to be same, right? It is called as distributive property over addition. Multiplication property of multiplication is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Clear?
Sir, it is it's kind of like order property, sir.
Correct. No, it is
Sir,
not
can
order
Spruha
property. It is not
grab
order
a
property. In
snack?
order property, 1 minute. In order property, all are multiplication. Suppose you have 4 multiplied by 5, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 2. So all are multiplication. Then you change the order, does not matter, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? But here it is not that, because here there is a addition in between, right?
Yes.
You got it? There is an addition in between, right? Can you see this? So 14 is multiplied by 25 and 14 multiplied by 16 also, right? Similarly, it goes with subtraction also. Multiplication property with a subtraction. Now multiplication of number by 10, 100,000. Anybody has doubt in this?
Sir.
No, sir.
How to do it? Suppose if I say 487 multiplied by 10, what do you get?
497.
Hey, वाह 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 multiply addition थोड़ी है.
Sorry, sir.
4870.
Very good. 4870. Okay.
Oh, yeah, sir.
4800 multiplied by 100. What do you get?
48000.
So you just keep on adding the zero, because any number multiplied by 10, 100,000, it is very easy. You just have to append zeros, number of zeros in the number. Clear? Easy, hai? Correct. Now suppose you have this multiplication. How will you multiply this? What do you do? You just multiply 289 multiply by 2 and then multiply by 10. Correct? So multiplying 2 is very easy, and just put a 0 at the end. Here, multiply by 4 and put a 0. Here, multiply by 9 and put a 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now
Sir, can Spruha go and grab a snack?
Sorry?
Can Spruha grab a snack?
Yeah. Okay. Clear?
Sir,
Yes, beta.
can Vanya go to washroom?
Yes, beta. Okay. Now, see what steps they have given. Rule. Okay. In order to multiply the 20, 30, 40, 60, any multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000, what you should do to multiply by the 2, 3, 4 or 9 respectively, and then insert 1 0 to the right of the product. Correct? Hai? Simple. Hai? Similarly, for 20, 30, 40, 200, 300, 400, 500, 900, similarly you do the 2000, 3000, 4000, 900, 9000, right? Clear? Understood? Now, I'm just telling you, what is this? Suppose if I give you a number to multiply, for example, okay, 38 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. How difficult it is? Can you do orally? Can you do this orally?
Yes, sir. I can try.
Very good. चलो करो, बताओ मेरे को क्या आएगा orally करके.
Orally.
Orally, yes.
Right now, right?
Yeah.
Um, 26. Wait, sir. 26.
26.
No, not 26. Not 26.
Tell me.
Wait, sir.
Very easy it is.
Oh.
सर मेरे को आता है.
बोलो.
तो क्रियांश बोल सकता है.
हाँ बोलो.
5 into 30. 5 into 2 is 10. 3 is
Correct.
0.
So what do you do? You always make 5 and 2 even number with a 5, it will give you rounding number, right? So it is 38 multiplied by 10 will give you 3380, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear hai?
हाँ sir.
Very good. Okay, chalo. Because this is, we are using the property of regrouping.
सर मैं भूल गया प्रॉपर्टी का नाम.
ठीक है, right?
Sir.
You have to use the property of this property, right? Grouping property, right?
I can go to washroom.
Group, हाँ बेटा जाओ. Grouping property or you can is a order property, right? You can arrange in any order and you can do it, or you can group in any order and you can multiply, correct? ठीक है? Yes. चलो. So now we'll see here. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
आपने अभी क्या किया मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया.
नहीं, I just showed you how to do it. This is, suppose if I'm saying na, here look at this. They give you a sample, right? This number, this number, this number, right? Can you see this?
Yes sir.
So what do you do? Okay, 2 multiply by 5 पहले करो तो क्या आ जाएगा? 10 हो जाएगा. Then 2 multiply by 25 multiply by 20 you will get 100, and then 4 multiply by 25 will give you 100 also, right? Clear?
Yes.
So just multiply this first and then multiply this. So you can do orally. Clear?
Yes sir.
ठीक है, चलो. Now let's see this here. Okay. Tell me this. What do you do? 158 multiplied by what? You will get 158, right? 1. Correct? Property of multiplication 1. Correct hai? Hello?
Yes.
Chalo. I am solving few of them here and then rest you can do it at home, right?
Which
Then
one is this, sir?
264 multiplied by 1 is 264, right?
This is chart 4, right?
Yes, H book only beta. Next, 2536 multiplied by what will give you 0?
Sir, can you see the answer? Mana.
Can you see my screen beta?
Yes.
Is it visible to everyone?
Yes.
फिर ठीक है. Okay. Now this 3 you can do it, right? I'm doing 2, 3 here. Okay. 97 multiplied by 106 is equal to
97.
97, right? 106 multiplied by 97. You change the order, it does not change, right? 537 multiplied by 243. So it is 243
Again.
multiplied by this. It will not change. Clear? This is just to explain you how the property will work, right? Now we have 85 multiplied by 76 grouping, and then 99 is separately multiplied. Here, what you do is 85 and 76 you put it here. The property will not change. Correct?
Yes.
The answer will still remain the same. 138, then 431 and 664. So you get 138 here. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes.
Everybody is clear? Chalo.
Yes. Yes.
Distributive property. 48 multiplied by into bracket 57 and 36. So what do you do? 48, 84 multiplied by 57, 84 multiplied by 30. You don't have to calculate. You just have to write the property, understand the property and write the answers. Correct? You got it?
Yes.
You don't have to write the answers. 103 multiplied by 81 plus 59. So it is 59 here given. So here it will be 81. Correct? Hello. Next. Chalo. 247 multiplied by 10. This is very easy. Hello. 2470. अरे आंसर तो बताओ.
2470.
तो फिर बताओ ना फिर. Next. 93 multiplied by 100. 9300.
9300.
00.
Next.
68000.
Correct? Got the answer?
Yes.
Sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rest of things you can do. Now, here, what this you have to do it in a book, right? This you have to do it in a book, right? I'll show you some.
Not exactly with the.
No, you have to show the working beta. Okay, you cannot do it in here, right? You have to do it in a book. नीचे वाला तुम कर सकते हो, but ऊपर वाला तुमको book में करना पड़ेगा, right? Now I'll show you how to do it. Okay, solve in book, notebook, right? ठीक है, with working properly, with proper working, right? Now, when you see this, now tell me how will you do it? For example, if I give you the multiplying, so what you do? When you do this, what you need to show is, I'll show you here one, right? What you need to do is, you have to do 95 multiply by 3 multiply by 10, correct? You have to split this way, right? Then you have to do 95 multiply by 3. I'll show you here. How do you do 95 multiply by 3? 15, 1 carry over, 27 and 28. Then you multiply by 10. You get 2850. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? I want this working to be done in this thing. Or you can alternatively do, I'll give you some other method to do it. Okay. When you say 95 multiply by 3, I give you a Vedic method. What method? So 9 3 is 27 and 1 5 3 is 15, right? Just add this and combine this two. You get 285. Same answer you get, right?
In Vedic math, this is called sandwich method.
Okay, whichever method. Okay, you got this clear? Is it clear?
Of course, sir.
Very good. So you can do either ways. Okay, you can do this or you can do this, which way. Okay, in the school, this is preferred, right?
No.
This one is preferred.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
So
Yeah.
if you do this, you may not get the mark, but then for oral or mathematical, for competitive exam, you can use this method, right? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here you get answer as,
What you understood? Tell you.
I put this answer as 2850, right? 2850. Okay, sure. Can you do the second one? Seventh one? Okay.
सर मुझे नहीं समझा वो
क्यों बेटा?
मेथड जो था वो नहीं समझा
क्या नहीं समझा बेटा?
वो सैंडविच मेथड जो था वो नहीं समझा
किसको नहीं समझा बेटा?
अनायास
अनाया. ठीक है, चलो. You give me any 2-digit number. You give me any number of your choice.
56
56 multiply by what you want to do?
5
Huh?
5
5. Okay. So what do you get? 5 5 is
25
6 5 is
30
when you add this between, add the number which are
8
just before and after this addition sign, right? Is 280 हो गया.
हाँ अच्छा सर ओके
Clear? Now there is a problem when you have a carrier. For example, I'll give you 78 multiply by 7. Okay. So what do you get? This is 49 plus you get 56, right? When you add this, what do you get? 6 here. When you add this, you get a 2-digit number, right?
yes sir
So here you have to write only 1 digit and 1 you have to carry over here.
yes
With the 4 plus 1
5 or
is the
6
5. Clear everyone?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
So you can do this way or you can do the way. But I have given one worksheet. I'll show you the worksheet which I gave you. Okay, in the multiplication. Let me show.
yes sir seen it
वेरी गुड. तो बाकी सबने नहीं देखा तो मैं दिखा देता हूँ ना बेटा, राइट? बिकॉज मैंने ये थोड़ा पहले भेज दिया था, राइट? ठीक है, यहाँ पे 2 digit by 1 digit. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
yeah
Let it open. Can you see the worksheet?
yes
Yes, sir.
So here you have to use the method what I am teaching you right now, right? So use this method what I gave you, right? So for example, I say 94 multiply by 94. Sorry, I'll just read the lighter color. Okay, 94 multiply by 8. So whenever you're doing this, in Excel also you can write this 72 plus 32 and then remove this and write 752. Clear? Easy, eh? So write only one answer, 752. Clear? Understood?
yes sir
Clear, eh?
yes sir
Very good. Okay. Second worksheet is this. I'm not giving you many worksheet here. Now this is you have to find.
पानी पी के आ रहा है
Okay. Now you have to find one is not to be used. क्या लिखा है? One is not to be used, right? Otherwise you can use, but preferably you should use a single digit table, right? For example, you have got here 45. So 45, what do you write? For 45, what do you write here? Second row. Second row, what do you write? This one. What do you write?
9 5 45.
Huh?
9 5 45.
9 5s are, or you can write 5 9s are. Okay, 9, you can write 3 3s are. Here 63 is either you do 7 9s are or 9 7s are, right? 36, what you can write?
9 4s are or 4 9s are.
Or 6 6s are. Also possible, right?
Yes, sir.
28,
7 4s are
4 7.
28 or 4 8.
Right.
7 4
30,
7 are 28.
you can write 10
Seven.
3s are, or you can write 5 6s are also, right?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Understood?
Sir, we can also write 15 twos.
No, beta. Ideally, you can write it. There is no problem. Correct? You can write, but I'm just giving you table till 10 only. That is why. So if you those who don't know table higher grade tables, so there उनके लिए problem होगा ना. ठीक है? Clear है? चलो. So let's go here, right? चलो. So 178 multiply. Now I'll give you one more trick. You write down this trick, okay? I want everybody to write down this trick. Suppose you have 178.
Oh, wait.
Okay. Anything you want to multiply with 5, 178 multiply by 5. Correct? So I am giving you a trick. What you do, you divide this by 2 and multiply. This is called as doubling and halving. What is the trick?
Then halving.
Doubling and halving, right? So you halve this number and double this number. What is the benefit of doing this? You can easily divide this by 2. Yes, it is 8 to the 16 and one remainder and 18. So 89 multiply by 10. It is very easy to multiply, yes or no? Clear?
8 divided by 2 is 4.
178, beta. First you got a remainder, na? 17. 17 comes in table of what? No. 17 comes in 2 table?
No. 2
No.
8 are 16. So
it is 89 multiplied by 10 is equal to 890. Yes?
सर मैं अभी आया क्या किया
अच्छा
आपने
सर.
Sorry?
यहाँ पे सर.
सर मैं अभी आया क्या किया आपने
तू कहाँ था?
पानी पीने का
कहाँ था अभी?
Who's talking?
5. This is called doubling and halving, right? Or you can directly multiply by 178 multiply by 5 and then you write the 0. Correct?
सर किधर से किधर लिखना है सर?
चलो. हाँ?
किधर से किधर लिखना है?
नहीं, ये तुम लोग को ट्रिक लिखना है डबलिंग एंड हाफिंग का, राइट? स्पेशली वर्क्स व्हेन इट इज एंडिंग विथ 5. तो बहुत इफेक्टिवली करता है, राइट? यहाँ पे 109 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 क्या होगा? 763. मैं ओरली कर सकता हूँ, यू कैन नॉट डू ओरली, राइट? तो क्या होगा? व्हाट यू डू व्हेन यू वांट टू डू दिस, हाउ यू वांट टू डू इट इन अ बुक दैट आई एम शोइंग, राइट? व्हाट यू डू, 109 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 70 होगा, तो व्हाट यू शुड डू, 109 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. 109 multiplied by 7 will give you 3, 6 carry over 0 and 6 and 7. And then you multiply by 10, you get 7, 6, 3, 0. Clear है?
Yes sir.
यस सर
Is
तो
everybody-
नहीं समझा
क्या नहीं समझा बेटा?
जो आपने इसके पहले बोला था
कौन से पहले बेटा?
ये जो आपने कैलकुलेशन दिखाया है
हाँ, तो ये तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन क्या? व्हाट इज द
उसके
क्वेश्चन?
पहले वाला
नहीं, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? ये वाला है, राइट?
मैं कुछ बोल रहे थे मैं और ये नहीं कर
क्वेश्चन
सकता
नंबर बताओ बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर बताओ. विच क्वेश्चन नंबर?
सर मेरा लैपटॉप ग्लिच हो गया था, मेरे को नहीं पता।
अरे क्वेश्चन नंबर कौन सा ये तो बता बेटा मेरे।
नहीं पता।
अरे तो मेरे तेरे सामने स्क्रीन है ना,
हाँ
तो बताओ कौन सा क्वेश्चन। मैंने 6, 7, 8 सॉल्व किया है। विच वन यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
सर, आपने बोला था क्या ना, मैं
हाँ
ओरली सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ, तुम लोग नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते
हाँ
मतलब।
करेक्ट, क्योंकि 109 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 आई कैन डू ओरली। मैंने तुमको यहाँ पे बताया हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व विद द मेथड, राइट?
ओ
करेक्ट है,
हाँ।
ठीक है। बिकॉज मेरे को प्रैक्टिस है, आई कैन डू ओरली, बट हाउ यू टू सॉल्व, यू टू सॉल्व लाइक दिस, राइट?
ओके सर।
अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
यस सर। यस सर।
चलो okay, yes. Now next one again, 1 2. Now you understood how you have to solve. I am just doing it here. I can do this 1 2 2 5 multiply by 2. I have to do it, right? So if you want to do 1 2 2 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 10, correct? This is how you have to show. 1 2 2 5 का हो जाएगा, कितना हो जाएगा? 2 4 5 0 0, correct? That is why I'm saying I can do orally. You cannot do it orally, right? तो तुमको वर्किंग पूरा दिखाना पड़ेगा. Clear है? Is it everybody clear? So if you have
यस
any
सर, ये
difficulty,
सब लिखना है सर।
now 77 multiply by 2 multiply by 100, right? Which will give you 77 multiplied by 2 will be 15400, correct? 163 multiply by 4 multiply by 100.
तो
is equal
सर
to-
ये सब लिखना है सर।
नहीं ये लिखना नहीं बेटा, तुमको समझ आई। दिस वन यू हैव टू डू इट ओरली, मतलब इन द बुक। आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू मेथड हाउ यू कैन डू इट, राइट?
ओके सर।
आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू हाउ यू कैन डू इट, राइट? ठीक है, तो दिस वर्किंग आई एम नॉट शोइंग, यू हैव टू शो, राइट? 64 63 64 6 5 2 0, correct? चलो, rest of the things you can do it yourself, correct? But you have to show this split, right? क्लियरली, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया, कंप्लीट स्प्लिट दिखाना पड़ेगा तुमको, करेक्ट है? आई एम सेंडिंग यू दिस ऑन योर ग्रुप, राइट? डोंट टेल मी सर मेरे को मालूम नहीं था कैसे करने का, आई फॉरगॉट हाउ टू डू इट, आई डन इट डायरेक्टली लाइक दिस. दैट इज वाई स्पेसिफिकली आई हैव रिटन डू इट इन अ नोटबुक एंड सेपरेटली स्कैन एंड अपलोड. क्लियर? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. Okay, here also it is very easy. This you can do orally. This you can do orally. 36 multiplied by 10 is equal to 360, right? 2 5s are 10, right? Whenever there is a combination of 2 with the 10, 25 with the 25 with 20, 4, 5 with 20, all these will give you 10, 100,000, right? You get 79 multiplied by 100 is equal to 7900. This is again 25 into 4 will be 100, right? It is 6800. Clear?
Yes sir.
So I'm doing 50%. Now multiplying, what do you do? Multiplying 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. Now this is very, now you need to understand what I am doing. Now I am going to use the distributive property, right? This is a sample they have given. I am just showing you how to do it. Now, for example, if I am doing what, can anybody tell me what is this multiplication says? What it says?
Double digit multiplication.
No, it is 3 digit by double digit. What? Just read this question. What is the question?
4 2 6 into
4 2
80
6 ऐसा बोलता है, छोटा बच्चा है क्या?
426 into 87.
क्या क्या? 426 multiply by 87. So what I can write is 426 multiply by 80 plus 7, correct?
Yeah.
So when I'm multiplying this, it is not multiplying with the 8. It is multiplying with the 80. Clear? Understood?
Yeah.
When I'm multiplying this with this, it is not multiplying 8 with 6. It is multiplying 80 with 6. Clear?
Clear.
Very good. So when you solve this, now you can solve in any method, whichever you want. It does not matter, right? Now you can multiply this 7 also first, or you can multiply 8 also first. But you have to remember this very clearly. I'm just giving you idea. I'll solve two questions. When I multiply this with the different digits, right? I'm just writing. Suppose you want me to multiply with 8 first or a 7 first. You tell me.
8.
8, right? When you multiply by 8, it is 80. So it is basically, it will come as 0. You can put a cross here. Sorry. You can put a cross here, or you can put a 0, whichever you like it, right? Ideally, I prefer 0, not the cross, because to avoid confusion. Okay, now I'll show you some of the here. What I am doing is, I'm multiplying with 80, then 400, so it is 480, right? So what I'm multiplying? I'm multiplying with 80. When there is a 0, there is no need to multiply with any number, right? Because it is going to be 0 only. So you just ignore the 0, whether it is a middle, whether it is the end, or whether anywhere in between, right? Clear? So you don't have to write. Sometime people write like this. I don't know why. Okay, when you say 1, 3, 4, 9 multiply by 408. So they multiply with 4 something here, and then you put 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. ये क्या जरूरत है? Correct? They put like this 0, 0, 0, 0. I don't know why. You don't have to put this. You just have to ignore this 0, right? Because when you multiply, it is going to be 0 only. And when you 0 add to any number, it is going to be the same number. So it does not matter whether you use the 0 or you don't use the 0, right? Only thing is you have to use the other place value accordingly, right? Clear? ठीक है? देखो यहाँ पे 0, 0, 0 क्या देगा? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे देखो 0, 0, 0, 0 किया, right? This is not required. This is not required. Here you can directly do the shortcut method, short method. This is perfectly okay. Nobody can give you wrong, right? Okay. Only thing is you have to put the place value. Now suppose if I put it here, let me solve this. Suppose if I solve with 8 or 7 first, what you said? 8, right? So I just put 8 here. This is 0. Okay. 8 6 are. Hey Bhagwan, you know table na? 8 6 are kya?
48.
48. So 8 will come here and 4 will go as a carryover, right? Now 8 to the
16.
16 plus 4,
20.
20. 2 here and 2, 0 here and 2 will go as a carryover, right? Then 8 for the
32.
32 plus 2.
35.
है वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है जी, वेरी नाइस.
30.
32 plus 3, 35.
34.
Very good. ठीक है. Now because it is 80, I kept it here, right? Now I put it 7 because this is a unit place. I don't have to do it here, right? So what do you do? Do this 7 6 are 42. So cut this number and put another carry, right? It may be same, it may be different also, right? 14 plus 4, 18. Cut this and put the carry 1. 28 plus 1, 29. Correct? Now just add normally. 2, 6, 1, 0. You can keep the carry over 1 here. 0, 1 carry over. This is 4 plus 1, 5 and 2, 7 and 3. This is the answer. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So 14 number, this is also you have to multiply this very large numbers, right? Clear? Now this is fill in the blank. This is very difficult. 22 wala. We'll do it in a class, right? But we'll take how many exercises I have done up till now? We have done 2 exercises, right? 13 and 14, right? I'm giving you 2 exercises. I'm not giving you too many exercises together, right?
So just go
I'm giving you 2 to 3 exercises, right? Only. So at least you can do it, right? And I'm going to write in a group also, right?
So guys, we have go to washroom.
Yes. चलो यहाँ पे कौन सॉल्व करेगा? यहाँ पे will solve.
Sir, मैं क्रियांश go to the washroom.
Yes. कितने जन वॉशरूम जाओगे यार? चलो जाओ फटाफट. Okay. Ivana.
Yes.
चलो everybody should solve one question. Everybody should solve one question, right? चलो. Tell me which one you want to solve. चलो second one. Ivana, you will solve.
Okay.
You want to solve with 9 or 3 first?
3 of course.
Huh?
3 of course.
3 first. Okay. चलो. Tell me. So should I put a 0 here?
No.
No. Okay. Because it is a unit place, right? So now tell me फटाफट. You tell me what I'll put it. What will be carry over? Quick. Fast. Huh?
5 will be down, 1 will be carry over.
Okay. Then
And then 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. What 4?
chalo. Next.
0.
Right. Then
6.
very good. Then next.
5. 0 under 5.
0 first, right? Then 5.
5 and then 4 carry over.
ये cut करो और write 4, right?
And then so 3 and then 1 carry over.
9 then the 9 plus 4, 3, 13, 1 carry over, right?
1.
9 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. Then
18.
18. Add them, right?
5 plus 0 is
5,
5, 9, 3, 7, 8, 1.
Clear everyone? Chalo. Next. Anaya. Anaya.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Which one you will solve?
The third one, sir.
Third one, nahi, 5 or 4. What you will do first?
Sir, 5 it's a 40, sir.
Sorry?
5 it's a 40.
No. What you will do first? With the multiply with the 5 or 4? What do you want to use first?
5,
तो 5 के लिए पहले क्या करेगी?
4, sir.
हाँ?
4, sir.
नहीं, 5 you want to multiply with 5 first, right?
Yes.
तो what you will do?
5 it's a 40.
गलत. सबसे पहले you have to put 0 here, right? Because it is not 5, it is 50.
Oh,
So first thing you need to put a 0 here, correct?
yes, sir.
Then 5 is a
Then 5 it's a 40, sir.
40.
So 4 will be carry over. Then 5, 6 are 30. And 34 because the 4. And the 3 will be carry over. And 5 7s are 35. So 35 plus 3 is 38. So the 3 will be again carry over. And 5 3s are 15. And then 18 will be there because of 3.
Very good. Plus now 4. Now you don't have to put anything, right?
Yes. 4 8s are 32. 3
Cut
will be
this,
carry
write 3 on the top, right?
6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. And 7 will be 2 will be carry over there. And then 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. 0 will be there and 3 will be carry forward. 5 7 5 no 5 3s are 15 and 15.
Hey, don't be in a hurry. What are you multiplying with?
4 3s are 12.
गड़बड़ मत करो, right? There is no hurry. Keep your mind cool and then add, right?
Yes, sir.
2.
Then 2 7 4 3.
So
will
Kriyansh
be carry
came.
forward 0 then 2.
Very clear?
So
हाँ बोल,
Kriyansh
क्या हो
came.
गया? क्या हो गया?
So Kriyansh came.
Very good. चलो Kriyansh, tell me what you will add with. Next,
Told you.
you multiply with 1, 2 or 5. What do you want to multiply with?
5.
Okay. I usually recommend do it with the 1 first. So you get a bigger number on the top, right? But if you want to do with 5, I am okay. Chalo. Tell me, Kriyansh, what do you do?
15. 1 up.
Sorry?
15 आएगा.
So 5. 1 upper, right?
हाँ.
Then
20. 21. 2 up. 10.
12,
12.
right? Now what?
Sir, now 0.
Hmm.
6. 8. 4. 0 0. 2 4 3.
Which order you are going? You have to say ulta, right? 3, 4, 2,
हाँ.
right? Now it is 5.
5
Then
7. It is 13 1 up. Then sir 10 0 1 up 3.
correct? Chalo.
So
Spruha?
sir
Spruha?
number wise जा रहे हो.
Spruha bolo beta.
I'll start from 1.
Hmm. Okay.
5 plus 5.
First, you have to, when you start with 1, it is not 1, it is 100. So you have to put 0, 0 here, right?
Yes sir.
उसके बाद चालू करो.
5
So
plus 5.
5, 4, 6, right? Then
6 5 are 30. 3 up.
6. पहले 0 रखो बेटा, Spruha.
हाँ.
If you
Oh,
don't
yeah.
put this 0, because it is not 6, it is 60.
Yeah.
Correct? It is not 1, it is 100, right?
Yes sir.
Now you put 5, 6 are
30.
30. 3 carry over, right? 6 4
Yes sir. 6 for the 6 for the 6 for that 6.
Beta, single digit table, you have to be very strong. Single digit, you have to be very strong, beta.
Oh, 24. I forgot. My
24
mistake.
plus
I was
3
saying 6 3 that 24.
and 27, right?
Yes.
Because 3 you have to add, right?
Yes sir.
And 6 6 are
6 6 are 42.
6 6
2.
are 32.
42.
6 6 are 42.
Yes sir.
Acha? Beta, this is a problem when you have na 6 1s are 6 2s are 6 6 are 6 4s are. इसमें तुम्हारा गाड़ी कभी आगे रुकेगा, कभी पीछे रुकेगा, कभी जगह पे रुकेगा, right?
हाँ sir.
You need a practice. Now I want every day from tomorrow onwards or today onwards. Okay. I want you to practice the tables every day, 5 minutes, morning, 5 minutes, evening. Okay. If you can do
Sir,
more,
6
it is
6
better,
are
right?
36, sir.
Sorry.
6 6 are 36, sir.
Oh yeah.
Plus 2, it is 38, right? Chalo. Next 7.
7 for
7 5 the
35.
cut this 3. Then 7 4 the
7 for the 28.
28 plus 3
31.
31. Cut this 7 4 7 6 the
42.
now
44.
42 plus
2.
3 है 2 कहाँ है
44.
45
45.
8 the 16 17 1 carry over
9.
10
I'm done.
बेटा ध्यान से स्पृहा I am writing this. Everybody solve this question now.
No, sir.
किससे सॉल्व नहीं किया वन्या
Kriyansh.
क्रियांश ने तो किया ना ये वाला
Sir, हाँ, सर.
हाँ वन्या बोल
देखो लगा एस चंद के बुक के
Vanya, tell me which one you do, 2, 5 or 8?
मैं 8 से शुरू करूँ.
हाँ
8.
हाँ, very good. चलो बोलो.
8 9 are 72. 7 will go up and 2 will come down.
Very good.
8 1 are 8 plus 7 15. 8 8 are 64 plus 1 65.
Hmm.
We will add a 0. 5 9 are 45. 5 1 are 5 plus 4 9. 5 8 are 40.
Please make sure that you write proper number, one below the other. Don't mess up. Every digit has to come one below the other, very clearly written. I don't want any haphazard writing, right? Next.
We will add 2 zeros. 2 9 are 18. 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3. 2 8 are 16.
Okay. Then 2, 0, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1, 10, 13, 23, 2 carry over. 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry over. 10 plus
1
carry over, put just little smaller one and double this, right? I don't have a place, but when you solve this, keep it a little space and then solve this, right? 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, everyone, how to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we have done out of 9, we have done already. Now this, you have to do this, right? हाँ?
इसे तो भी डबल किया.
किसने?
डबल किया.
किसने?
नहीं पता.
तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
क्योंकि 6
तो
पार्टिसिपेंट
ठीक है ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? क्या इश्यू हो रहा है तेरे को? हो गया ना? ठीक है ना, किसी ने ज्यादा ही किया, राइट? बस टेंशन क्या है, राइट? सो दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन डू इट. नाउ द मिसिंग नंबर हियर. कम ऑन. Now what you can do it here? Now this is a good trick. You will solve yourself and then leave it to me. Yes or no? Chalo, I'll give you this for the homework. Solve this and come up with the answer, right? This is a homework, right? I want you to do it, then I'll show you the trick next class, right? Just do this and I'll show you the trick next class.
Help.
Chalo. ठीक है. Okay. Next. Okay. Now there is a called word problem, right? Word problem is practically application of the multiplication, how you apply in the real life, right? Now I'll show you. This is all multiplication. Okay. Now can I give you only the odd questions from here? This is okay? Or you want to do all of them?
Odd.
Odd, huh? Very good. Okay. So from this is any which is this you have to do it. Okay. Exercise 14. Okay. I'll give you this new assignment. Let me give the assignment. Okay.
सर आप मेरे लिए लैग हो गए.
ओके बेटा, चलो न्यू असाइनमेंट. ओके.
सर आप लैग हो गए मेरे लिए. क्या
तो
हो रहा
क्या
है?
करूं मैं? क्या करूं? व्हाट आई कैन डू बेटा, यू टेल मी.
सर मैं वीडियो बंद कर दूं?
हाँ कर दे. ठीक है चलो. विच इज चैप्टर नंबर? चैप्टर नंबर 5, राइट? Now you can write in a notebook, so you can start doing it. So you don't have to wait for my, because I'm going to this chapter 5, multiplication and division, right? Okay, I'm going to write this exercise number here, right? Exercise number, I'm going to write here which exercise I'm giving you. Exercise number 13, right? Exercise number 13, all questions, right? And listen what I'm writing. Exercise number 13, all. Okay? And then what you need to do? Question number 6 to 18. You have to do it in a book. कहाँ पे? Exercise number 6 to 24. Question number 6 to 24 in a book. Question number 6 to 24 in notebook. Correct? Okay. So I want to see the grouping how you are doing, right? Then, okay, exercise number 14. Okay. Only or this one any which way you do it, but this any which way I'm doing in the class, so does not matter. You just have to copy, right? I send you the screenshot so you can directly copy. Okay. This is exercise number 14 and 15. Only odd question, right? Exercise number
Sir, 14 is not odd.
14 and 15 only odd questions, right? To be solved. समझ में आया क्या लिखा मैंने? It is not odd. I am saying you have to solve the odd question, right? So one, this any which I am doing in the class, then you have to do 11th, 13th, 15th, 17th, 19th, 21 and 22. Clear?
Yes, sir.
22 any which I am going to do it in the class. Clear? I am going to explain in the class, so no problem. 15 also do 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 9 and 11. Clear? Done?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now I'll just give you a brief about what is division. Or we'll do division next time.
Next time.
Very good. So I'm giving you one exercise, only multiplication, right? And then division, we'll do it later on, right? I'll give you 3 assignments of this chapter. First do multiplication, then you'll do division, and then multiplication, division mix, right? So you get a less exercise. I'm going to 2 or 3 exercises at a time, right? Multiplication, exercise 13, 14, and 15. So I'm giving you only half exercise, half to be done, right? 50% I'm doing in the class, and that too I'm giving you only part of it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Chalo. So this I'm giving you 1 week to do it, more than 1 week, right? So I'm giving you to submit by next Friday. Clear?
Wow.
With the multiplication है. So आराम से कर सकते हो तुम लोग, right?
Then I can complete all the assignments and
जल्दी करो तो बहुत अच्छा है, right? And you have to check this, right?
Sir,
And
I'll
notebook
try
में
to complete
you have to
it
submit
today.
the notebook details in the PDF format, okay? Right? ठीक है? चलो. Bye. See you.
Bye, sir.